Hi there, Katarina. I don't know what to pack. Help me out, please.
Yeah, I will help you, because today we're going to show you what to have in your bag for a one-day hike in the mountains. Come along!
Säg kom along till den hästen.
Come along. The first thing you want to do is go online and check the weather. Really nice. Firstly, it's very important that you're dressed for what you're going to do. We are wearing mountain boots, mountain trousers, a good jumper, thin wool underneath. And when all of that is covered, we're gonna find out what we need in our bag. Whoa, there's your bag. Having a good backpack, which is good for your back and is comfortable for you to carry and will give you some extra support is also really important. Your backpack is really good as well.
Yeah, expensive.
Expensive. You want to wear a thin layer of woolen socks, but you also want to bring an extra pair of woolen socks. In case your feet get wet, this is going to save you a lot of discomfort.
Avoid wetness at all costs.
You also want to bring an extra shirt. I like that shirt to be wool as well. An extra warm jumper in case it gets cold. You never know when it's going to get cold.
Hope for the best, but expect the worst.
I like to bring a thin down jacket. It's very light, easy to carry. Bring something wind and rain resistant. Rain resistant trousers that you can easily pull over your normal walking trousers in case of rain. Something else which is super practical to bring is a rain coverage for your bag. It will keep everything in your bag dry as well. Some thin woolen long johns in case it gets really cold, and make sure you have enough water to last you the whole day. You're probably going to be more thirsty than you are normally. And you should never go anywhere without having a proper lunch, enough food and snacks. Be prepared that you can spend some more time in the mountains than you think you might do, that the walk might take longer than you think, or that you can get stuck. Bring enough food and water so that you're safe throughout the day. You want one?
It's very important when you're making these types of videos that you have snacks.
I always bring with me some extra blister plasters, because having a blister when you go for a walk is just so annoying. And here you should have just a simple first aid kit with everything you might need. It's also important to bring sun protection, even if it's cloudy. You want to protect your skin from the sun. And don't forget sunglasses. You also want to bring a sitting pad, something to sit on.
A wet bottom, that's what kills you.
Bring toilet paper with you, and remember, don't leave the toilet paper out in nature.
Or I will find you.
He will find you. When you're out hiking, you want to bring an extra plastic bag so you can throw away your rubbish. A little garden shovel like this. In case you really need to go properly to the toilet, you want to dig a good hole and cover the hole properly. And remember, if you go to the toilet out in the mountains or out in the woods, don't go anywhere near water, so nobody drinks contaminated water. Something to cover your neck. A little hat. Even if it's really warm outside, weather can change really quickly. Oh, bless you. Bless you.
Sorry.
A little pair of gloves to keep your hands warm. All right, I think that's it. Do you feel prepared?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No feeling beats the feeling of being well equipped and prepared and well packed. Eller well packed kanske. Good package. Nej.
Tack!
Just a packed bag. A bag of things that you need.
If you want the whole packing list, check the link in the description. Come back next week to see how our hike went.
One of Norway's most beautiful hikes. Västseggen.
Oh, I hope so. Right.
All right. Packed and ready.
Packed and ready. Then we're ready to go.
Let's go hike.